This video is called Magic Tricks versus Magic Johnson. I'm not quite sure if the least of the brethren, mankind, is a white woman. And a lot of people give me credit and help me see things without training me in martial arts. They train stretching and other things. So all praises go to God, and my ex-fiance gave me this cross. Page 179. These tensions were reflected in the slang of the day. The widespread Portuguese antipathy for the blacks and pardos was reflected in references to them as goat feet. People in color referred to the Portuguese as lead feet or ox feet, so they may get as tall as them, but they're not as maneuverable as one way to take it. And this is right by 178, which I pointed out in the past. Look at the bottom. Not sure how well you can see it. Okay. It's also important to note that zombies were Igbos who were mutilated, so they couldn't spiritually walk back home. Page 140, paragraph 2. The special knives, the four-bladed leopard knife. Remember page 162, 178, and 182 as well. And so, some of you have accused me of avoiding your comments. I will leave the comments open. Okay, here's $4,000. Okay. All 20s, okay. More or less. So I still have the money and the numbers. It's hidden in plain view. 33 1/3 is 1/2 of 77. And 34 is 1/2 of 78. Just think of white and black and where they meet in a sexual union. The spirit in which something is given. I'm sorry for this talking quickly, but I have to make this video fast. And I'm not even using my phone to make it. I was in the hospital since Hitler's birthday when I was taken, and key footage from my phone that proved my point beyond any doubt was taken as well. Thank you.